Namaskar, Sujata here for NEWS+VIEWS, and the disclaimer is this is my personal gift from my sister, so this is not a paid promotion, and it's my birthday gift from my sister Estee Lauder. So currently they are running this Christmas special where in 3600 rupees you are getting the box full of goodies. As soon as you open this box, you will be mesmerized by this pink pouch. Let's open this pink pouch. So, this pink pouch. It's still other advanced night repair. This is the first time, this is a novelty for me. This colorful cylindrical lipstick case. Wow, this shade is so brilliant. Another is Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme. It is eye balm. This is Estee Lauder Revitalizing Supreme Plus. This is a youth power cream. It smells heavenly. If you can notice my nails, this one is because I'm writing my assignment for the counseling. You can say this is my student's symptom. So we are done with this. This is actually a gift for purchasing. The product is 3600 rupees. This one, Estee Lauder Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Balm. This is the product my sister paid 3600 for, and with this cleansing balm she got all those goodies free. Even this two more. These are the samples. Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Makeup, and another is Advanced Night Repair. So just check out. This is the product. This is the main product. Estee Lauder Night Micro Cleansing Balm. So you can know why this is my favorite product. You can see the image. This is just, it has such a sleek mirror finish. Estee Lauder. Oh, wow. With this, you are getting this fuchsia pink makeup pouch and all these goodies. This for 3,600.